In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Gmail Smart Compose on your computer. We'll be navigating to some settings within your Gmail account, so make sure you're logged in and ready to follow along with these steps. All right, let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and click on the Sign In button in the top right corner of the page. You'll need to enter your credentials to access your Gmail account, which is essential for modifying any settings. Once you're signed in, click on the Gmail link, which you can find in the Google Apps menu. This will take you directly to your inbox. From here, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see a gear icon. That's your settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. With the settings menu open, you'll see a drop-down list. From that list, select See All Settings. This will bring you to the General tab within the settings, which is where we need to be in order to find the Smart Compose option. As you scroll through the general settings, keep an eye out for the Smart Compose section. Here, you'll have two options: turning the feature on or off. If you prefer Gmail to suggest words and phrases as you type, you'll want to make sure Smart Compose is enabled. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more manual experience without suggestions, go ahead and disable it. Now, after updating this setting, don't forget the crucial step of saving your changes. That means scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the page and clicking the Save Changes button. This ensures that your preferences are applied and you'll be good to go. Before we wrap up, let me share a quick tip. If you're unsure whether you like the suggestions Smart Compose offers, I recommend trying it out for a week or so. You can always return to the settings and toggle it off if it doesn't suit your style. That's it. You've successfully customized your Gmail experience by enabling or disabling Smart Compose. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.